Tracking, the National Testing Agency declared the results of NEET 2021 exams, paving way for admission in medical colleges across the country. 18-year-old Tanmay Gupta from Jammu has created history by becoming the first from Jammu and Kashmir to be among the national toppers of NEET 2021. Republic spoke to Tanmay and his family on this achievement. Listen in.
Result of NEET 2021 has been declared and the boy from Jammu and Kashmir has done the nation proud. Tanmay Gupta, hailing from Jammu, who appeared from New Delhi, has topped the NEET examinations. He scored 720 out of 720. 3 toppers and Tanmay is one among them. I'm joined by Tanmay and his family, his father Dr. Akshay Gupta, his mother Dr. Shivali Gupta. They are behind his success, the true role models. But first, we'll speak to Tanmay how it feels to be. Tanmay, this is a big achievement. This is feat. How it feels like when you are among the toppers, the top 3 who have topped among the 16 lakh who appeared in the examinations.
The feeling is simply amazing. It cannot be really described in words, but it's awesome.
How it was when preparing for since your parents told me it's all started from the class 10th, when you decided that you will be preparing for the exam, then you studied hard. How it all went?
Actually, in when the 10th was ended, board exam were done. So actually my parents took the decision that I should go to Delhi because there I would get the atmosphere to study better. So I went to Delhi and I knew that the exam was about 2.5 years away from me. So the consistency I had to keep, and that's what I did for 2 years.
When you were appearing in the examination, was there any sort of thought in mind that I will be coming out with the flying colors as topper of the examination? So, or how it was all?
No, actually, I don't think anybody thinks that I would be the topper, but I thought that I would be giving the best that I can give.
See, actually, what he has achieved cannot be expressed in the words. I mean, this is something extraordinary. This is something we have never dreamt of. The Tanmay was sent to Delhi after 10th result. The reason was that he has got a good result in 10th classes. Science and maths, both he got 100% marks. So that was the reason we decided he should go to Delhi.
How it feels now since he has topped, he's among the toppers. You are getting a number of calls as we are speaking to. So how it feels, congratulations and celebrations all over.
See, there are few things in life which cannot be described in words. This is one of the things. This is something extraordinary thing which we never dreamt of. When we sent him to Delhi, we were expecting that he may get the seat in the Maulana Azad, the equivalent good college. But to get a seat in a to become eligible for a seat in the AIIMS, we never dreamt of that.
It's something really unexpected for them. Ma'am, I can see you are really very excited. How it actually feels being a mother. You have been so close with the Tanmay from very start because father, he used to go to work, but you have been really close to what. So how it feels?
Actually, it was a very difficult time because for 2.5 years he was away from here. He was with his grandparents. So as a mother, it was very difficult to keep your child away. But I think his hard work and his sincerity, it's really, we are proud of him. And I think he has always made us so proud that today I'm so thankful to him for giving us such an opportunity that we are receiving so much of calls and everything. So it's like amazing.
So being a doctor and your child getting the top seat in NEET, how it feels like a professional way?
See, it's like we never dreamt of this. It will be like admission in AIIMS and first top rank. So it's like amazing. And I think I should first of all be very thankful to God, the Almighty, and secondly my parents who had really taken a lot of pain for him because he stayed with my parents in New Delhi. So I am really thankful to them and to him also because he was the one who motivated me that emotion is one way and then practical, you have to be practical in life. So I think he is the most creditable man because he motivated me, so I made a decision that no.
So